Good day, employer in Hong Kong. My name is Joy Q. Santos. I live in Barangay Atilano, Ricardo, Bagac, Bataan. I am 37 years old. I'm married. My husband's name is Mark Joseph P. Santos, and he is 36 years old. He is a JNT rider, and monthly salary is 10,000. I have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. My eldest son is 15 years old, and my youngest daughter is 8 years old. I don't have any sisters, but I have 3 brothers. He is 48 years old, 47 years old, and 46 years old. My father has already passed away, and my mother is also passed away. My working experience is first being a house helper from August 2008 until to 2010. Then next, being a babysitter from June 2015 to 2020. And last, being a caregiver from February 2021 to June 2024. Thank you.